cordless Gtech AirRam K9 makes easy work of tough jobs. The unique airlock system picks up big bits from the surface and fine dust from deep down, while lightweight aluminium components handle the extra strain of pet hair. And the scented tabs freshen your home as you clean. With no cord to slow you down, clean any surface without changing settings. While flexible steering and a low profile helps to reach under furniture. Its lightweight makes cleaning stairs simple, and the dirt empties with a slide. Each charge gives 40 minutes runtime, enough to clean most homes twice. High performance, cord-free cleaning. The Gtech AirRam K9.